Star has some on.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did. It really.
What happened to your cup?
I know. I broke.
It broke?
Yeah.
How'd it break?
No, it didn't broke. It jumped out the window. I'm not. Yeah, I saw it jump out the window and went, ooh, blast this thing. Nah. That did it. He had eyes, green eyes. That, what? Did it. Like Shelby.
Like Shelby?
Yeah, that did it.
What happened to your cup?
A roll.
It broke?
Yeah.
Well, that shit was lost.
A roll.
Oh. How'd it break?
A roll. Yeah, a car went over him.
It rolled?
Yeah.
Where'd it roll to?
A roll.
In the road?
Yeah.
It rolled in the road.
Yeah. But then.
How'd it get to the road?
Your flowers, or you.
How'd it get to the road?
A roll. That's very. Right. That right.
It was...
Like that. Like that.
Really?
Like that. One of our toys.
How did the cup get into the road?
I don't know. A roll.
It ran into the road?
Yeah. No.
But it doesn't have feet.
Roll.
Cups can't run.
No, he jumped. No. Yeah. No, I saw him jump.
So how did it get to the road then?
I don't know a bag. Well, bag.
Real big?
Yeah.
It jumped real big?
Yeah. He was like sleeping at us. Up.
Really?
Yeah, for us. For us. Yeah, he was sleeping last time he jumped out the window. We hugged him.
Your cup.
Yes.
Why do you keep saying him?
Like that.
Pull your diaper up.
And he jumped out the window so far. He then went straight to the road.
Haley, is this true?
Yeah.
Your cup jumped out the window?
Yeah.
Jumped to the road?
Yeah.
Got run over?
Yeah. A roll like that.
And that's how it broke?
Yeah.
How did it break once it got to the road?
I don't know. I got run over it. Yeah.
What happened?
A car run over it.
A car ran over it?
Yeah, and the truck. And the car and the truck. And the car and the motorcycle. Yeah. Car, truck, motorcycle, car, truck, motorcycle.
I thought they didn't have feet. Do cars have feet?
No. No, cars don't have feet. Cops don't have feet. They just jump. Jump. Go crazy. Yeah.
Why are you egging your sister on?
I did. But he's saying that a copy is what I do. And copy's like that.
Like that?
Yeah. Copy what Cassie did. Copy what like that.
That's not even funny.
Grace
Stop it. That's not funny.
Yeah.
Just because Mommy's laughing doesn't make it funny.
Down. He jumped down.